If you're moving to Dothan, Alabama, and you're looking for a great place to live on the east side of town, just minutes from Southeast Health and ACOM, this is it right here, Hidden Lake East. So many amenities too. This lake to enjoy, a park, sidewalk community, events, and you're close to everything on this side of town. Right there, all you need. What's really cool is I've got a house I'm listing that's a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath that has this view of the lake. Come see it with me. This is a rare find in this neighborhood for so many reasons. You can walk out your front door and be right by the lake and all the other amenities that this neighborhood has to offer. It has 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths. It's got a big, private, fenced-in backyard and so much more. Come see it. They thought through everything when building this home. It's really spacious and spread out. These granite countertops in the kitchen are nice, plenty of counter space and cabinets. There's a pantry right here off the kitchen, then a breakfast nook that connects to the kitchen overlooking the backyard. The living room area is open and spacious. Then you've got a private dining room. It's so nice, you can host people here and gather. There's wood floors throughout the entire home. This is a split floor plan, so you've got the primary bedroom on one end of the house, the other 3 are on the other. There's so many qualities about this house, but I can't wait to show you the backyard. Come see it with me. I love this backyard. It's private, backs up to the woods. There's plenty of room to still build a private pool here, screened in porch. I hope you enjoyed seeing this beautiful property with me. I'm David Ridley with EXP Realty.